guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I am Prajakta. Welcome back to another Real Talk Tuesday video. This Tuesday I asked you guys if you want to see a pack with me for Singapore video, since I'm like going on a wank. So yep, let's do that. I've sorted most of the stuff, so I think we're good to go. Let's pack, shall we? Also, we're going for a total of like 9 to 10 days, and it's the two of us, me and my sister, so all the stuff I'm going to show you is for 2 people. Very important announcement: if you guys are expecting like a hacks video, or you know, how to travel light or how to make sense when you're packing, you're in the wrong place. I am just going to stuff everything I own into as many suitcases as I can, because that is the sort of traveler that I am. I can never ever travel light. So yeah, let's go. I know it's a lot of stuff, like look at it. Yup, it's a lot of stuff. So let's go through it. Here we have everything that is technology. I have my monopod selfie stick, I have my GorillaPod, I have my hard disk, my laptop charger, my portable speakers, my speaker charger, my mouse because I cannot edit without a mouse. This is this sort of lollipop. So this is what it is. So you can put a USB, like the most basic function. Also look at how cute these earphones are. My MacBook, his name is Kachra. Hi Kachra. Then my phone charger, my Polaroid camera, my GoPro, and this thing has all my GoPro accessories in it. This is my sunglasses kit. Yep, 2 sunglasses. This is Didi's moisturizer. This is my moisturizer. 2 belts. This has all my makeup. That has all the toiletries. I'll show you all of this later. Night suits, dresses, sort of like over capes, 2 pairs of jeans, skirts, tops, t-shirts, tops. These 3 things. This has Didi's underwear, this has my underwear, and this has our bathing suit. Then we have 2 caps and 1 hat, a hair dryer. It's so ugly and so tiny, I can take it anywhere with me. A hair straightener. This is Didi's carry-on bag. This is my carry-on bag. Then here are the shoes. So this one's pretty basic. I got this from H&M. I love how comfortable it is. Slippers, because why not? These are to wear inside the room. These are Gladiators that me and Didi both own. These sneakers I'll be wearing on my way tomorrow on the airport. Didi will be wearing those sneakers, and this is Didi's sandals. She has to buy a new pair of slippers though, so yep. Overall, this is all the stuff we got. So I don't know about you guys, but I like to pack my slippers in these sort of bags. It's called Shoe Shine. I got these off eBay. They were really cheap. They're fireproof, they're waterproof, they're dustproof. So I'm sort of just gonna put all these slippers in one, and I'm gonna put the remaining 2 sandals in another one. So shoes are done, and this way you can actually leave your shoes with your clothes and then like nothing gets soiled. Now let's move on to accessories, and by accessories I mean electronics. Awesome. To pack all my electronics, I'm going to use one of these bags. Now I'm not going to lie, I picked it off when I was staying at the Leela in Delhi. It's a really useful laundry bag. I'll show you what. So it's easy to sort of just like have all these things in one place, so you don't misplace it. Now my laptop I'm going to keep in the pouch, along with my hard disk, the adapter, my Apple Watch charger, and my earphones. The GoPro goes in the GoPro pouch, and my phone charger goes inside my handbag. I'll show you what all I packed in the handbag for now. This is donezo. Now speaking of these 2 pouches, so this one has toiletries in it, this one has makeup. Both of them are from Forever 21. So in my toiletries, I have my deodorant, I have a travel pack for my face wash, then I have my conditioner, then another travel pack for my shampoo, my lens solution, a toothbrush, toothpaste, and an extra pair of lenses. I also have a rubber band. Yep. And when you travel, usually try to have everything under 100 milliliter bottles. I got these bottles at Forever 21. It was pretty cheap. I got like all of these bottles for like 200 rupees or something like that. In the makeup pouch, I have the regular man. I have my eyebrow thingy, I have my mascara, I have my makeup remover, I have a few lipsticks. I have lip balm. That's about it. So yep, these two pouches are done. This is my chashme ka kit. So when I'm not wearing this chashma, it's inside this. I got this from Aldo. I am carrying two pairs of sunglasses this time. The yellow one because it's really pretty, and this one which is a Ray-Ban ripoff, but I got this from Aldo. This one's from Forever 21 though. And me personally, I sort of like to section everything, although I'm a very messy person in life, but when I'm traveling, I lose my shit if I panic over what's where. So that's why I try to make as many pouches, as many like bundles as I can. Now I think we've got everything that we need, so we should just start putting it in the bag. Okay, so suitcase number 1, in the Ziploc portion, we're gonna put all the pouches. We're gonna put my hair tools and a hat, 2 belts, and also my cap. There we go. Then just zip it up, zip, zap, zoom. In the other section, we're gonna put all our clothes. I saw this online and it's super useful when you just like sort of roll your clothes. They fit so much better. Look at that. Boop, 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 boop. So much stuff just went in there. And on top of these rolled clothes, I like to put denims and heavier clothes and night suits, which I don't mind sort of creasing. And then cover it up with a towel so it all stays in place. Good job, Prajakta. Suitcase number 2 is basically going to be all the stuff that we take for our Masi. So right now, we're just going to put our shoes in there. Suitcase number 3, the Ziploc portion, I'm just going to put all the technology and one more cap, and also these really cute pouches we got for our phones. So yay, that's zipped up. Airports and airplanes get super chilly, so we're just gonna put one jacket each for both of us and keep some space for when we go shopping. Now for my handbag, my phone charger, my wallet is from Aldo, and a book and pen, my passport and visa, and this Apocalypse Survivor kit. So basically it has my favorite lipstick. It's the MAC taupe, I think. Yup. Then it has a travel size Estee Lauder perfume that my friend Sanika gifted me on my birthday. Thanks, Sani. And then I have my earphones. So basically, if the world was ending, I'm gonna go down with this pouch. Then we've got one more deo stick, some gum. All of this goes inside. Also, my bag is super cute. It's from Accessorize. I know it's super awesome because I gifted it to my sister, but then I am using it because jo uska hai wo mera hai. Okay, and the packing is done. So I'm gonna be very honest with you. I hate packing. मतलब I try to push it off till a time where I cannot afford to push it off. अगर मेरी सुबह 7:30 बजे की फ्लाइट है तो मैं 1-2 बजे शायद सोच लूँ कि है चलो पैकिंग कर लेते. That's how much I hate it. But today it's 5 and I'm already done. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. My flight's tomorrow, so by the time you're seeing this video, I'm already on a plane to Singapore. I'm gonna be vlogging. Don't worry about that. I don't know if it helped because I do not travel light, so I don't get the whole point of this video, but I'm glad you validate my life like that. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be making a lot of stories all throughout my travel. My Instagram is called @mostlysane. Also like my page on Facebook because there'll be updates on there too. I'm gonna go now. Bye until we meet. Love.